Stop. Okay, it's very early in the morning and today is a special day, very exciting. We have all our roommates in the car right now.
Yep.
Zoe, what are you doing today?
In about an hour, I am not gonna have any wisdom teeth anymore. I'm like, I just don't know what to expect.
I got my wisdom teeth out when I was 15 and like I was super nervous, but I feel like you're handling it a lot better than I did at 15. So I think you're gonna be fine. I thought it was a fun process. I'm excited to edit this video, but I'm also kind of scared.
You're gonna watch it back and not remember what you said.
Any last words?
You know? No.
Zoe just finished her surgery. We're gonna go get her. We're both a little bit scared. Are you happy to see us?
Yeah, I'm so happy. I miss you. It's been so long.
You did well. You did so good.
I'm going to so big party.
Yeah. Do you want to go to a frat right now?
Yeah, wait.
No, stop. Stay still.
Stay still.
Stop.
Stop talking. Hey, stop talking.
I want to talk about my friend.
Okay,
Hi. I love this girl. I love this world. We're such much fun.
All right, we just got her in the car. You got your blankie?
I want to put this on the limit.
I'll put it on right now. One sec.
Zoe,
Zoe.
spit on me.
Zoe, hey.
Old town road. Ride till I can't. Till I can't no more.
She's Ashley. I took Paige back home because I wanted Ashley to be here.
No, Paige and Sammi.
No. Hey, so, no touching.
Don't pull trig.
All right, we are heading to Jack in the Box. Let's go.
Wanna
Ride till I can't no more.
Oh wait, no.
All right, food has arrived. I'm so excited. Yay. Thank you. All right, Zoe, how do you feel about this? All right, we can't eat yours until you're back because you have to have a spoon.
I have it.
So, oh, you do? Let her eat it when she's back because she needs gauze. You can't eat it with the gauze.
Can I have a little bit of whipped cream?
Not with the gauze near. Okay, Zoe, you got this. Okay, hold on to the rail. Let's go. I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, come on,
Okay, so it's about a month later.
Back from the dead, no wisdom teeth. My healing process was super easy.
She literally did not even swell up
I didn't
at all. Like, she went to the gym a day later, I swear.
And I was having so much fun on those drugs. I don't remember, we just watched the video back and I don't remember anything.
I was like kind of scared of like what you were gonna act like, or like if you were gonna get like be in a lot of pain or something.
Yeah.
But she handled it really well. And
thanks, bud.
Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Sorry the video got cut short. I don't know what happened to the rest of the footage. It just stopped, so.
Yeah. But I'm alive.